The truth is, people in different parts of Jamaica lead different lives, and peace looks different for everyone. What I can tell you is that you definitely don't need to be dodging bullets every time you leave your home. People are going about having babies, partying, visiting family and friends, living simply and soft. Some of the girls in Jamaica call themselves dollies. That means they are soft and feminine, no stress. I get it. When you're far away and you hear about gruesome crimes and you feel like a state of nervousness and fright, it's normal. It happened to me. I never had peace of mind until I unfollowed some of the media companies who know that negativity sells and they're invested in reporting all the bad news. The truth is, there's so much going on in Jamaica they don't talk about because it won't get them the views and the likes they're looking for. Don't get me wrong, I'm not gonna lie. Things happen. People involved in things, yes, innocent people get dirt, especially because of bad mind rampant, and people just see unwanted things. But for the most part, Pitney go school, people go church, Sunday dinner, cook. Did you know that there is a very large community of expats living here in Jamaica? These people would die if the government send them back. People there live good life, like sometimes better than what they would live if they return home. Yeah, Jamaica hard, and for the poorer class, it rough. But people there who really don't want to go foreign, them just go shop and come back. I mean, them just go and buy them goods because things out here really expensive. Don't beat me, but a lot of times the ones crying out about things hard simply are not willing to work as hard as the man who capitalize upon the resources and business opportunities here that are many. Enough of them young people are lazy nowadays. I don't want to go work. Scamming is hard of the day, but that story is for another day. Corruption is another thing where throw off people sometimes because sometimes you just don't know who to trust. Go them come at church.
I'm gonna risk up against you. But I don't want to move too fast and lay the foundation because I need to understand that you got to build your life like a pig who built up his house up with bricks and with rocks. My grandma, I remember the stuff the wise man built his house up on the rock. I remember when the flood came out by Rockfort. For some houses because they build them up on sand, but those that was built up on the rock, they stood firm and strong and could withstand the storms. Come on, church, we got to build up on that rock. I'm going to know who that rock is. That rock is not the church. The problem is some people build up on the church. Some people come to church. Some people baptize in the church. And then sing my choir in the church. And then sing
people will do anything to get money, so that rough, isn't me? Dinner time.
Just want me alone sometimes.
I know this up there.
Beautiful thing I wear them call. We'll make no sacrifice. All alone I pray later. I want to see someone time to rejoice. Everybody want to slice. Love my friend, very bad. Think what did I go bust by 21? See the message and enough pressing up. Got some problems and a lot of things to talk. Just wanna get alone sometimes. Gotta take my time. Tell them I'm too high. Growing up in the fun. Makes me wanna return to the...
Oh man, but I can't believe we not nobody if climb coconut tree them. So we are going to coconut them.
Once upon a time, that once upon a time, missus.
But didn't do nothing for nobody again.
No, sir. You have your money, dirty money. You know, you can't call to a girl nowadays, they call to her.
She a beg you a drink.
You have to pay for
No, but the man them a beg first.
Pay for call to her, yeah? You call to her, want to go and beg your credit now. Buy me a juice now. And
The
you
man
never
them,
call to her, now she can't go to her business.
the man them a beg first you man them, you know.
Hey man, them tell the big time beggar them, you know.
Yeah man. Then go in a taxi and before you can even beg them to pay a fare. Them first a beg. They want one baby pay me fare too. And then them a look out for they guys them. They guys them style that. Beg what kind of style that? Them a go and let them more homophobic than nobody else in the world. And a big gear sitting them a do them a wear them pants down and them batty. Them a beg.
Beg more girl, them.
Beg more girl them you can't them force you. We beg you. And then them a bow them a lick out. That hypocrisy. Funny coconut them and nobody there to pick them. Aki tree a beer up. Hey, when Aki push out, you know. See some there already I open up. Some I open up there. And there so. See some I push out there already. Watch there. Hey. See yeah, them a peep out there. Me see you know. We're gonna eat you know. Wait. Enough of people out right under this man. By how long will it take to warm up, Daddy? By tomorrow we can pick them. Yeah, them are people out there. Hockey. Me will climb up on the almond tree there. Climb up on the almond tree and then reach over. I wonder if country different from town. Like, you remember how country people nice and willing and helpful and sitting?
Everything change up there.
I see everything everywhere.
Everything change. I can't go talk about my brother Eddie, granddaughter, and sitting there. Kiss them teeth, you have to have money.
Can you remember one time, Daddy, when people are when you are build a house, everybody come and chip in. A man bring all a buckle of rum and sitting and when them a build for their house, you go back go do the same thing. They're sitting in there again. So sad.
Those were the days. Country people are building a farm again.
I people ever put Upper St. Andrew a farm, you know. You know, see Angel and Sasko, big farm. And them a farm. Cause you know the worst thing is, no poor people look and say, people in Upper St. Andrew them want them better than you and blah blah blah. But the things that were them willing to do, Daddy, they no poorer people them not willing to do it. It's just the truth. Cause enough people are look down upon farming. Oh, you remember one time them say when you are done people who not get a subject in a school, a farmer. See people them see money in it and capitalize on it. I hear them now, no, when other people come and do it. Oh, they must sell out Jamaica. But what you do? You not buy peace too? You not buy peace?
You not buy none.
You not buy none. So you complain for? So everything's so expensive. Come out to hardware and at 12 grand for two little sitting. Delivery no less than 15 bills. Hey, look here when we drive car. See there? That car all night.
Turn.
make it sweet. So you peel banana, we have shut up some banana porridge. So put our water for boil with cinnamon leaf. And what is? Coconut powder. And you say a beer flavor that. Add in some oats to give some body. We have like a caramel there, like this so. Blend up for now. Oh, usually put it after, but when you make it go out, it's flavorful. Nutmeg in there, I get some vanilla mixture, you know. Blended caramel, oats, and banana. I'm gonna stir it up, ayo, little darling. Smell good, you see? Yo! So you just gonna stir. Let a little make it go and thicken up and just lower the heat. Oh. Yeah, man. It's enough. It's. You have to make sure you stir it till they come together, and you can't just pour in the something and leave it, because if you stir it, it's gonna have a lumpy porridge, and that's not good. So you just gonna stir it in. See it there? Sometimes you have to add a little more water because it's too thick. You know, get them have juicy, you know. Yeah, pure cornstarch, then put that there. You know what I long to drink? A minute. See it now? Look how that mellow. Yeah, man. Come, it a come on. So you use your nose, you smell to see if you cook. There you cook, you use your eye, you use your nose, your mouth, taste, yeah. See there?
This question, I know, so them something where you cook on a long cooking something.
About 20-25 minutes and your porridge ready. The stirring is very, very important, you know. Stove lock off, we're going to add the mixture of the sugar, lasco, and again, vanilla supposed to be nice.
If you add one, you can add a B-side to it, or tin milk, anything.
You can put evaporated milk. Wow, look there. You see texture? Bring it up.
You want a little more sugar? Yes.
Ui, hot.
You want a little more sugar on the vanilla?
The man tastes good. Just want more sugar, yes. And the vanilla, you're good. Oh, salt. Tip us. This may I drink mine out of because we don't greedy, we just take as much as what. See there? See there? Nice. You taste the banana, you taste the oats. Creamy. Okay. When it is this hot, you just skim from the side. You're gonna miggle a bun you.